Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake pad and rotor on 2014 Toyota Corolla. Okay, let's get started guys. So this one is special caliper, okay? They use the e-brake and the regular brake together, okay? You see the caliper in here, you see? It's called emergency brake. They build up inside the caliper. So okay, let's get started guys. So you see the number 14 millimeter on here, just 14 and 14. All right, this one special caliper and special procedure to do it too. Special tool for it. We do number 17 millimeter to hold up the caliper slider. Maybe I'm gonna use the ratchet. See, we use number 14 millimeter. And we are the 17 holder. This out, and the other one is out. Just pull it, okay? Just pull it up. You see the number 14 here. This is from for the caliper bracket. They use number 14 millimeter too. So just remove it. So we're not just remove the bracket to the side and then remove the rotor. It's all out right now. So let me show you where the new brake pad. The new brake pad is part number is of 0446-AZ213. It's a brake pad, and brake pad shim is of 04946-02050. It's a shim and a rotor. The last one is a rotor, and here is the part number 42431-02200. Okay, let me pull the rotors out. Pull the rotors out. Let me put it here and start the rotor. Just put one lock nut to hold it. And we install the caliper bracket, okay? Perfect. Okay. So let me add. You see, just pull the caliper sliders out and add some loop, okay? It comes with the new brake pad. The dealership they give us some, so just add it, put it, apply some to it. It's good now. So after this, time to install the shim. Okay, the shim and the brake pad shim. Let me show you. Let's pull the brake pad out. Let me see this one. They have two. Okay, let me see which one go to which one. This one for the outside one. So apply this one a little bit. One in. Let me see. This one gonna be in. Can you see clearly or not? Because it's too bright from the sun. And one more, the last part in here. See? It's good now. So let me bring it up to install it. Alright. You see how to install the new brake pad? You remember the rotor can spin forward, so the warning sign here is always put down. Let's put it down here. Okay, make sure it in out smoothly. This one good. And I'm gonna put the outside one. Okay, this one smooth in, smooth out. And next, I'm gonna bring the camera up there a little bit. Can show you what how to do it on a caliper. One second. You see the caliper in here? They had a special tool to do it. Let me show you this tool and what I'm going to use it. Okay. For the tool you can buy from online. It's very cheap. It's not really expensive. So just push it and spin it. It's not good. This one is you spin it like that, it won't work. I had to spray a W40 a little bit. I don't want it damaged to the boot. Okay, spin it. Just keep spinning, okay? Spinning. When you spin it, the caliper go in. Keep going. Keep going in. So.
Call from Feedstock Zap.
So come in, go in. Okay, see it? Make sure the point here is the have 4 point had to be 90 degree. It's not 90 degree when you install the brake pad. When you install the caliper, it won't go in because they have the pin here too. You see the small pin here? Small pin, very small here for the emergency brake. Spin it so do my way, okay? Make sure it's straight up to 90 degrees straight.
Cái này lắp ra. Thử bỏ phong cái thử xin nữa.
Okay, let me reinstall the brake caliper, okay? Make sure the caliper is stay in 90 degrees straight, okay? Alright, so it's time to install the bolt. Upper and lower. This one very simple job, but you need some special tool to do it on the caliper section. Okay, right now, so if you want to torque it, you can torque to a 16 foot-pound, okay? On like it's good enough. Okay, it's all set for one side right now, guys. So after you replace it, you just go inside the car, step on the brake panel like twice, and you good to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.